Welcome to Cartechhome channel. In today's video we are going to show how to repair common brake noise problem, but before we start, please like this video and click on the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell down below to stay updated on the latest videos we are posting. Now, let's start the video and enjoy watching. How to repair brake squeal of disc brake. First is to inspect the brake where the noise occur. Inspect the condition of pad, shim, and other parts. Now, chamfer the edge of the affected pads. Enlarge chamfering area to the area from pad edge to a half of caliper nail, leaving a wear limit of 2 mm. Chamfer the brake pads using a pile. Pile the brake pads slightly until the wear limit is about 2 mm. After chamfering, clean the brake pads by removing the pile residue using a vacuum cleaner. How to repair brake squeak of the drum brake. How to repair brake groan. Clean the disc brake rotor and pad, because wear powder of pad and other dirt on the brake rotor can cause abnormal noise. It is also effective to make a slit in disc pad to prevent wear powder of pad from adhering to rotor. Draw a line at an angle of 35 to 40 degrees from the pad center line and cut a slit with a hacksaw. The width of the slit should be as wide as about 3 hacksaw blades together. The depth of the slit should not exceed the wear limit. Again, clean the residue using a vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching. Visit www.cartechhome.com for more information. Hit that subscribe button to get an update or like us on our Facebook page link down below.